Hello class. Now that we have our registration form built, we now want the ability for the registered alumni to log in and update their complete profile. To do that, click on New Data Page, and this time select Single Record Update and click Next. Select the same alumni registration table because that's where all the data resides, and let's go ahead and call this update form Alumni Update Profile. And now we'll need to enable access and security because we want to password protect this data page. By enabling this checkbox and selecting alumni authentication, we're creating a login screen and making sure that the alumni log in first prior to updating their profile. On the next screen, we want to enable record level security so that each alumni only sees his or her own information on the update form. Here we need to match the alumni ID from the authentication and the current data source. And when done, go ahead and click on Next. On this screen, move all the fields that you wish to include on the Update Profile screen. In our example, we want all the fields, so click on the double arrow and click Next again. Now we'll need to make a few modifications. Notice that each field by default is set up as display only, or in other words, read only. We'll need to modify each field accordingly so that the alumni can edit their info. For example, title field will need to be a drop-down so the user can update their correct title. First name will be a text field. Last name will also be a text field. Email, we can select email from the drop-down so that we can validate the correct format. And then password field will need to be editable as well. Phone will be a text field, and then for gender we can turn this into a radio button so the user can select either male or female. And now let's go ahead and speed through a bit and make changes on the rest of the fields. The file field will need to set this up as a file and display it as an image with a specific width. This will allow the alumni to see their profile picture and be able to update it with another picture later on. When you're done updating all of your fields, go ahead and click on Finish, and now when you click on the preview link, you'll see a login screen that requires each alumni to log in before they update their complete profile. We'll see how to deploy this later. For now, let's go ahead and build our very last data page, which is a data page for the alumni to search other alumni in the directory. Let's take a look.